Every day, billions of paper cups are used to serve tea, coffee, and beverages. But have you ever wondered who manufactures them? Today, let's explore whether the paper cup business is really worth investing in. Roadside tea stalls to cafes, offices, hospitals, cinemas, and food delivery businesses. Paper cups are used everywhere, creating consistent demand throughout the year. Manufacturers produce different sizes of paper cups for tea, coffee, juice, ice cream, and cold drinks, allowing businesses to serve multiple markets. The main raw materials include food-grade PE-coated paper rolls, printed ink, paper bottoms, and packaging materials. The manufacturing process is simple. Large paper rolls are printed, cut, shaped into cups, sealed, checked for quality, and packed for delivery. The paper cup machine is the heart of the business. It automatically converts printed paper into finished paper cups at high speed with minimal manual effort. The printing machine adds attractive branding, logos, and designs, making the paper cups look professional and market ready. The die cutting machine precisely cuts printed paper into cup-shaped blanks, ensuring perfect dimensions for smooth production. The air compressor supplies compressed air required for smooth machine operation, improving speed, accuracy, and production efficiency. After production, every paper cup is inspected, counted, packed, and prepared for safe delivery to customers across different markets. A small semi-automatic paper cup manufacturing unit usually requires much lower investment than a fully automatic factory. Your total investment depends on the production capacity you choose, the machinery you purchase, and the working capital needed to run the business smoothly. Before starting your paper cup business, complete the required registrations depending on your business and local regulations. This may include food safety registration where applicable, GST registration, business registration, and a trademark to protect your brand. Proper compliance helps build customer trust and supports long-term business growth. Profit in a paper cup business depends on efficient production, steady customer orders, controlled raw material costs, and consistent product quality. The better you manage these factors, the stronger your business can grow over time. Your biggest customers can include tea shops, cafes, restaurants, caterers, offices, and wholesale distributors. Building strong relationships with these businesses can help you secure repeat orders and grow your paper cup business steadily. Like any manufacturing business, paper cup production also comes with challenges. Strong competition, changing raw material prices, regular machine maintenance, and maintaining consistent product quality are key factors that directly impact profitability. Businesses that manage these challenges efficiently are more likely to achieve long-term success. The paper cup manufacturing business offers strong market demand, good profit potential, and excellent opportunities for future expansion. While it requires careful planning, quality control, and consistent customer acquisition, it remains a promising business for entrepreneurs looking to build a scalable manufacturing brand. As always, research your local market and prepare a solid business plan before investing. Every successful business starts with the right information and the courage to take the first step. I hope this video helped you understand the real potential of the paper cup manufacturing business. If you found it useful, support the channel by liking this video and sharing it with someone who dreams of starting a business. Subscribe to Business Reality Check, where we explore real businesses, real investments, and real opportunities. See you in the next business review.